Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. I never knew onion rings was so delicious until I tasted it. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own onion rings. Let's get started. Here I've got some purple onions, but you can use any color or type of onions you have. And I've gone ahead to peel off the skin. Next, I will cut it into circles and then separate them to get the rings. Isn't this beautiful? I've got here 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You can use less or more depending on the quantity of the onion rings we are making. And I have here 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm adding in some chili pepper for some hotness, and the salt to taste. And then we're adding in some cold water. I'm starting with 1/2 cup of water. I have here breadcrumbs. I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs there. So we'll be mixing the two. I have a video of how to make the breadcrumbs. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can use fork for this. Put it here. Bring it out. And then mix the base. We'll now mix it. We'll cover it well with the breadcrumbs. We set it aside. So we'll continue this way. You can also use your tongue. You can also use your tongue to pick the onions and put there. Be careful not to cut it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share our video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.